To make your header logo the same on Shopify mobile and desktop, follow these steps. First, understand that Shopify uses a responsive design, which means your store's layout adapts to different screen sizes. However, this can sometimes cause inconsistencies in how your logo appears on different devices. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel and navigating to the online store section. From there, click on Themes and then click on the Customize button for your current theme. In the theme editor, click on the header section. This is where you can upload and adjust your logo. To ensure your logo looks the same on both mobile and desktop, you need to consider the size and resolution of your logo image. It is recommended to use a high-resolution image with a minimum width of 500 pixels. This will ensure your logo remains clear and crisp on larger screens. Next, click on the Select Image button to upload your logo. Once uploaded, you can adjust the logo's width and height using the settings provided. Make sure to check the box that says use the same logo for both desktop and mobile to ensure consistency across devices. It is also important to consider the aspect ratio of your logo. If your logo is not square, you may need to adjust the padding or margins around it to ensure it fits properly in the header on both mobile and desktop. You can do this by using the spacing settings provided in the theme editor. After making these adjustments, click on the Save button to apply your changes. Then, click on the Preview button to see how your logo looks on both desktop and mobile. If necessary, make further adjustments until you are satisfied with the appearance of your logo on both devices. By following these steps, you can ensure that your header logo appears consistently on both Shopify mobile and desktop, providing a professional and cohesive brand image across all platforms. Remember to regularly check your store's appearance on different devices to catch any inconsistencies and make adjustments as needed.